you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am so excited today. Yes, this is a part 2 from our part 1 video, moving to Canada from Nigeria or Africa. Yes, you're welcome back because I have a lot to share which I wasn't able to share in the first video, which I'm going to be sharing here in the second video. I am so excited to put out this content today because it is so important for you to note the things I'm going to be discussing on today's episode. My name is Mona. Alright, so I hope you watched my first video on moving to Canada from Nigeria part 1, because I shared a lot of do's and don'ts for your hair care during the winter season here in Canada. So on today's episode, I'll be sharing more information to guide your hair care shopping list for Canada. Yes, because I really heard that you're coming to Canada, so I'm going to guide your shopping list today. Okay, I'll make this video as brief as the other one too, and even if that is still going to be very educational, and I'm going to explain everything as much as I can, but I'm going to keep it short and simple. All right, so due to the very low temperature of -40 degrees during the 5 months winter season here in Canada, your natural loose hair would definitely be damaged by the dry and low humidity of the season. Hence, my main focus for today is to guide you on your hair conditioners and styling products to purchase when planning to migrate to my dear Canada. As I deeply discussed shampoo specifications in my previous video, here I am going to discuss some tips to guide you on the best hair conditioners and styling products to buy for your trip to Canada. Choo choo choo. So, firstly, when shopping, look out for silicone-free hair conditioners like Aveda Nutri-Plenish Conditioner, Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Coil and Shine Conditioner, Cantu Natural Hair Shea Butter Hydrating Conditioner, Garnier Fructus Nourishing Treats, 1 Minute Hair Mask, or OGX Sheer Soft and Smooth Conditioner. Also, you will need deep conditioners like Shea Moisture Manuka and Mufura Oil Mask, and Verb Manage Plus Restore Hydrating Hair Mask, Mille Basus and Mint Deep Conditioner, Hydrating Hair Masks, and leave-in conditioners like Lux Leave-In Conditioner, Aveda Nutri-Plenish Leave-In Conditioner, and other easily accessible brands, so long as they are silicone-free, girl. Then, for your hair creams, go for Bounce Coil Avocado and Rose Oil Clump, and Define Cream, Asayam Double Butter Cream, Trelux Coil Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream, and Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves Defining Cream. Alright, for your styling gels in the winter season, use glycerin-free gels for winter. Some good products are DPT Dew Gels with Coily Gelly, Trelux High Definition Coil Enhancer Styling Gel, Not Your Mother's Coil Top Gel, and Bounce Coil Light Hold Cream Gel, and any other regular glycerin-free hair gel that you can lay your hands on. Yep. Also, look out to buy sealing oils for the winter season like OGX Coconut Oil, Weightless Hair Mist, Pure Cold Compressed Organic Argan Oil, Klinganic 100% Pure and Natural Jojoba Oil, Aveda Nutri-Plenish Multi-Use Hair Oil, Rosemary Essential Oil, tea tree oil, or even lemongrass oil, girl. These are really good products that you can use for your styling too. Okay, so one last thing, any hairstyling product you buy should have moisturizing components for your scalp and should be glycerin free. Totally what? Glycerin free. Then this is really important for you to know. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel and have been watching my previous videos too, you would know that I am anti-hair chemicals. I am so against the usage of hair chemicals and greatly against the use too of straightening chemicals like hair relaxers. And nevertheless, know that those regular hair relaxers you use in Nigeria or any part of Africa are very hard to find here in Canada. You will find it so difficult to get them. I mean, hair relaxers are like scarce commodities at beauty stores and hair or even skin care stores here in Canada. Most times you would have to get them at African stores where they are so expensive. So if you're a fan of perms and you can't do without your hair relaxers, buy as many as possible from Nigeria while coming to Canada. But before you do that, ensure to go back and watch my relaxer cancer study video on this same channel. You need to watch it before purchasing all those relaxers. Please do. So before I say goodbye, I just want to let you know that if you don't find any of my recommended hair care products in Nigeria or any part of Africa, or would like to travel light, girl, don't worry. You can get all these hair care products and more from any Shoppers Drug Mart or Walmart store all over Canada. It's there for you. They're going to be easy for you to come by, except your hair relaxers, which are not good for your hair though. So thanks for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. My name is Muna, and bye for now. I'll see you in my next video. Stay good, stay chilling. Canada cannot wait to have you, baby girl, and I'm gonna be saying welcome to Canada to you soon. Take good care of yourself. Subscribe, like and share with your friends and your family.